Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,700. It has 299,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. The truck is 2WD and remains completely rust-free, although the exterior paint has begun to fade with age. It features cold AC along with full power options, including power windows, door locks, and seats. Inside, the cabin is described as immaculate, reflecting how well the truck has been cared for over the years. It rides on a set of excellent Goodyear tires and has recently received several new components, including a new battery, spark plugs, plug wires, cap and rotor, and a new EGR valve. The truck is fully original and unmolested, and it also comes with a locking fiberglass bed cover.
Number 2.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,995, shows 201,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a green exterior paired with a clean tan interior, and a reliable gasoline engine. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives remarkably well, with a tight and solid feel on the road that reflects consistent upkeep over the years. It carries a clean title and is completely free of rust, making it a strong candidate for buyers who appreciate older trucks that have been well preserved. While this Sierra is not being presented as a show truck, it stands out as a very clean and well-maintained example for its model year. The exterior paint still holds a nice shine, showing that it has been cared for, and the interior remains tidy and well-kept, with no major wear that would detract from its overall condition. The truck also comes equipped with great tires that enhance both its ride quality and safety, adding to its dependable nature.
Number 3. 1978 Ford F150, price $7,800. It is powered by a 351M V8 and features two-wheel drive, offering strong and reliable performance. The truck runs and drives excellently, supported by power steering and power brakes. It was originally equipped with factory AC, though it is currently non-functional. However, an additional compressor is included. The exterior received a budget-friendly repaint last year, giving it a refreshed look. Over the past year, the owner has completed extensive maintenance to keep the truck in solid condition. This includes installing a new 2-barrel carburetor with a fresh air filter, replacing all 4 shocks, and adding new spark plugs and wires. The fuel pump and filter were also replaced, along with a new brake booster and master cylinder, and updated rear brake hardware. Cooling components were refreshed with a new radiator, hoses, and thermostat.
It now rides on wheels and tires from a 90s F150, and the rear differential center section was replaced 2 years ago.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, features an automatic transmission, a gasoline-powered engine, and a striking red exterior paired with a clean black interior. The truck is described as very straight, solid, and completely free of rust. It still runs and drives with its current V6 engine, although it was originally being prepared for a full engine swap before the owner's plans changed. During the restoration process, the truck was stripped down to bare metal, with all glass and interior components removed prior to paint. It now carries a brand new black interior, along with new shocks, a power steering pump, starter, battery, and brakes. All front and rear lights have also been replaced with new units, giving the truck a fresh, updated appearance. The title is clean, and the seller is not interested in trades. As a disclaimer, the truck was built to its current stage with the intention of eventually receiving a new engine and transmission.
Number 5.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, well-kept and strong-running 1500 that offers both reliability and power. It is equipped with a freshly built 400 small-block engine that has only around 500 miles on it since the rebuild, giving the truck an impressive amount of torque and responsive acceleration. The 5-speed manual transmission shifts smoothly and adds to the engaging driving experience. The truck does come with air conditioning, though the system will need to be recharged before it becomes fully functional again.
It also requires new front tires, while the rear tires remain in excellent condition and ready for the road.
Overall, this Chevy presents itself as a solid, dependable pickup that runs and drives great, making it a strong candidate for anyone looking for a classic, powerful, and usable daily driver or project truck.
Number 6.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. The owner notes that the truck has not been started for a couple of years and will need attention, including a new battery, a starter, and repairs for an oil leak. It is a project truck that requires work but comes with a substantial list of upgrades and components. The Sierra is equipped with a straight axle setup featuring a Dana 60 front axle and a rebuilt Dana 70 rear axle, with receipts included.
It rides on Nitto mud grapplers mounted on fuel-octane wheels, and it also features a 3-inch body lift paired with a custom suspension lift. Power comes from a Jasper 350 crate engine with approximately 2,500 miles on it, supported by an automatic transmission and functional 4WD. Additional details include a broken bed cover, broken traction bars, Shocker XL train horns, and a pair of 8-inch subwoofers mounted under the back seat. Number 7. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,500, presents itself as a classic shortbed 4x4 finished in a rich burgundy exterior, paired with an automatic transmission that suits its vintage driving style. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block equipped with a mild cam, giving the truck a noticeably stronger tone and enhanced performance compared to stock models. The vehicle still retains all of its original air conditioning components, although its current working condition is uncertain. As a whole, this 85 Chevy offers a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking for a dependable classic truck, combining desirable features, timeless styling, and the rugged capability expected from a Silverado of this era. Number 8. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. It has approximately 224,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a matching interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is mostly OEM, and the owner notes that the engine is likely blown, making it a project that will require a trailer for transport. Recent updates include new carpet, as well as a new aftermarket radio. The AC is functional, though it may benefit from a small recharge. Inside, the dashboard is clean with no cracks, the power windows operate properly, and the power door locks work but are slightly sticky. Despite its issues, the truck still fires right up and offers a solid base for someone looking to restore or rebuild a classic heavy-duty Chevy. Number 9. 1983 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. It features an automatic transmission, a powerful 454 big block engine paired with a 400 transmission, and runs on gasoline. The exterior wears its factory silver paint with a light patina beginning to show, not rust. While the interior, finished in blue, is exceptionally clean, with the seat already re-upholstered to like-new condition. The truck has spent its entire life in Arizona, meaning it has never seen harsh climates and has no accident history. It starts, drives, and stops without issues, and the drivetrain is free of leaks. The heat functions well, although the air conditioning system currently needs a recharge. It comes equipped with dual gas tanks, a new battery, and an Inyati double-coated bed that adds extra durability. Number 10. 1982 Dodge D150, price $4,000, comes with a manual transmission, a white exterior, and a gasoline-powered engine. Although it isn't perfect, the owner describes it as a fun little truck that just needs a bit more attention to reach its full potential. The truck is equipped with a Super 6 engine swap paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, effectively functioning like a 4-speed. It has been lowered using van lower control arms up front and an axle flip in the rear. Most of the suspension and brake components have been replaced, and the engine has recently been fully tuned.